Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening Safari to see if the internet is working. Second, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. Third is check the Apple system status page to make sure the App Store isn't down. Next, go to the settings, then general, then date and time, and turn on set automatically. Incorrect date and time can cause this error. If it's still not working, sign out of your Apple ID, then go to settings, then your name and sign out, then sign back in. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.